Did you know that scientists are bringing back the traits of an extinct species? Yes, you heard that right. The woolly mammoth that had extinct thousands of years ago are now being studied for the revival of their species. By how? By studying the DNA of an Asian elephant. So, don't get shocked, it's a real science. And the tool behind this is CRISPR-Cas, a modern revolutionary discovery in biotechnology. So, I am Ankita Gupta, and today I'll tell you the story of CRISPR-Cas. So, its origin from a bacteria to shaping the future of the agriculture industry, medicine industry, and even the conservation of the species. So, what is CRISPR-Cas? So, we'll start with the CRISPR term. CRISPR is a clustered, regulatory, interspaced, short palindromic repeats. CRISPR is a clustered, regulatory, interspaced, short palindromic repeat. It is a basically a memory bank for a bacteria to work as an acquired immunity in response to a particular pathogen or a virus. Okay, what is Cas? Cas9 is a protein that acts as a scissor or nucleus. It's basically a nucleus that will gonna cut the DNA in fragment, and the CRISPR will store that particular fragment DNA in their memory bank, and whenever the virus attacks the bacteria, the memory bank activate and the Cas protein identify the protein and cut the viral DNA fragment from the particular site so that it will not gonna if infect the bacteria. So I'll gonna share my screen and explain it. So to study this in detail, the mechanism of CRISPR-Cas by bacteria, prokaryotes, and archaebacteria, I'm gonna share my screen and show you how it's working, how their mechanism actually work. Okay, I'm gonna share. So you all can see in the screen there is a picture going on uh, describing the stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So we're gonna start talk about the stage 1 section. Okay. In that stage 1, the bacteriophage is infecting its genetic material to the bacteria. Okay. So what happened? You can see in the section like here, Cas9 gene is attaching here, and there is a repeat spacer going on. So what is repeat spacer? We learned the term CRISPR. In that clustered, clustered. So I think this is clustered. Regulatory. It's regulating the transcription of the infected DNA. Infecting DNA, okay? Interspaced. Interspaced. So this is called spatial, okay? और इन दोनों के इसके स्पेसर्स के बीच में एक ये रिपीट है ना, तो दैट इज नोन एज इंटरस्पेस्ड शॉर्ट. शॉर्ट के काफी छोटे होते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारे होते हैं, क्लस्टर्ड है, तो शॉर्ट ई नहीं होगा, सॉरी. पैलिंड्रोमिक. पैलिंड्रोमिक मीन्स कि अगर वो ATG TA, आप उसको आगे से भी पढ़ो तो सेम है एंड पीछे से भी पढ़ो तो सेम है, दैट इज नोन एज पैलिंड्रोमिक. एंड रिपीट्स मीन्स बार बार वो आ रहा है. ओके, सी, एक बार आपका palindromic sequence, then the spatial region, then palindromic sequence, then the spatial region, then palindromic sequence, then the spatial region. Okay, so what is spatial region? We will gonna talk about that. So what happens? The spacer region is basically the fragment of DNA, fragment of viral DNA, which infects the bacteria. उसका जो वायरल डीएनए है वो क्या होता है, क्रिस्पर रीजन में इंटीग्रेट हो जाता है। तो देखो, ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स के हैं, यू कैन सी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर के। तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर की क्यों दिखाया है? क्योंकि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वायरस के फ्रैगमेंट्स हैं, ठीक है। इसी को Cas9 रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, एंड देन जब भी कोई दूसरा वायरस आता है उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करता है और वही मैकेनिज्म को एक्टिवेट करता है। लाइक अगर ये रेड वाला है और ब्लू वाला है तो ब्लू वाले को मैकेनिज्म को एक्टिवेट करेगा, ग्रीन वाला अगर इन्फेक्ट किया है तो ग्रीन वाले को, ठीक है। विल डिस्कस लेटर, ओके।